Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make rice fufu from scratch. So continue watching to see how I made this delicious fufu. First I'm going to start by blending my washed and dried rice. So since I've already washed and dried this rice, there is no need of me adding water while blending it. I'm just going to blend it until it turns to powdered form. So guys, this is actually the best method to prepare your rice fufu because this method is very easy and quick, and again you can preserve the remaining powdered rice for a longer period. And after you are done blending your rice, then go ahead to transfer the rice powder into a bowl. Next, add 2 cups of water into a deep non-stick pot and allow it to boil. Next, go ahead to add the powdered rice into your pot. Then use your whisk to stir it. This will help to break any lumps that might form. Continue stirring with your whisk until you are no longer comfortable using it. Then switch to your wooden spoon and continue stirring. After your rice fufu forms a dough and you are sure there is no lumps in it, go ahead to add in some water, cover the pot and allow it to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, go ahead to check on your rice fufu. Use your wooden spoon to continue stirring it. If there is any need of adding extra water, maybe your fufu is strong to your liking, you can go ahead to add extra water to it. So guys, after you've stirred your fufu continuously and you've combined everything together and you are sure that there is no lumps in it, go ahead to turn off the heat and serve your fufu. So go ahead to scoop a preferred amount of fufu into your cling film and wrap tightly. You can enjoy this fufu with any soup of your choice. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. To all my returning viewers, thank you so much for all your support and see you guys in my next video. Bye.